Rhea Chakraborty's allegations are all hogwash and untrue, claims Sushant Singh Rajput's brother-in-law Vishal Singh. He has also accused her of defending herself just when the narcotic charges came to light. Vishal Kirti, who is married to Sushant's sister Shweta Singh Kirti, has written a new blog entry where he has come down heavily against Rhea Chakraborty for spreading false stories about the family. The Sushant Singh Rajput case has taken the nation by storm, with everyone from politicians to media to faceless trolls being involved in the matter of the actor's demise. With what was initially labelled as an unfortunate case of the actor causing his own death, further investigations have raised multiple questions, opening a Pandora's box of unanswered questions with serious allegations and accusations of money laundering and banned substances being consumed.
My brother has become Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Vishal, who titles his blog In Defense of the Family, added a disclaimer at the beginning of his blog saying that his opinions were based on conversations with other family members and added that he is not speaking on behalf of Sushant's father. Vishal has come out strongly against Rhea Chakraborty, who gave 2 interviews to news channels in her defense recently and made multiple allegations against Sushant's family. Rhea alleged that Sushant's family was not supportive when Sushant's mental health issues were diagnosed, and also alleged that Sushant's relationship with his father was strained after Mr. KK Singh allegedly separated from his mother. Vishal, however, rubbished all Rhea's claims and defended his wife's family against the allegations made by Rhea. Vishal writes in his blog that while he champions mental health awareness, in Sushant's case, the angle of mental health is being used as a cover-up of a crime. Defending Sushant's sisters against Rhea's charges of them leaving the late actor in spite of his mental health was not okay, Vishal wrote, "The real story is that though Sushant got his and his sister's tickets booked for Chandigarh, he ultimately succumbed to the blackmailing tactics of the conspirators and got his tickets cancelled." Vishal has also called Rhea's claims of Sushant consuming banned substances hogwash. Rhea के allegations को गलत बताते हुए उन्होंने लिखा है, "Even if we accept for a moment that it was Sushant who was doing it, what kind of partner procures drugs for their loved ones? It means one of the 2 things. Either the accused was pushing drugs on Sushant, proving the FIR charges, or it was the accused who was doing the drugs." Vishal has also defended the family against charges that Sushant's parents were estranged. He claimed in his blog that while Mr. KK Singh accompanied Sushant and Priyanka to Delhi where they were studying, his mother stayed back in Patna with Shweta since she was completing her education from a good school there. "All I can see is middle-class parents making sacrifices to expose their children to the best opportunities. Why is she cooking up stories about father abandoning his son?" he asked. In the meanwhile, a news channel has shared alleged chats between Sushant's sister Neetu Singh and Shruti Modi, where she asks Shruti to share the late actor's doctor's prescription with her and also tells Shruti she wants to meet Sushant's doctor. With the CBI investigating all aspects of the matter, hopefully the truth will be able to rise above all the accusations and suspicions and bring justice to the late actor.